Good afternoon, sir. As we are interested in this NTSC examination, we want to know more information about it. We have plenty of doubts regarding the NTSC examination. My question is that what is the history syllabus? Thank you.
Dear children, I will be telling about the history syllabus for NTSC examination. So the first one is about the French Revolution, where you will be learning about the different estates, first, second, and the third estate, and also about the Maximilian Robespierre, and also about the Napoleon Bonaparte. The next one is about the Industrial Revolution, how the revolution has started, what are the different things, different phases of revolution, we will be knowing it. Next is about the Mughal Empire, British Raj, and Maurya Empire. So we will be seeing the conquering nature and also about the what are the parts they have conquered and what are the conditions, what are the consequences of this empire, what are the different improvements it has brought it and changes in India. The next one is about the Indian freedom struggle that you have already learned in fifth standard, I suppose. So here you will be knowing about the different nationalistic phases, what is the part of the different persons, nationalistic person, patriotic person, what how they have struggled, and what are the different movements that has been taken place, like Dandi March. These things we'll be seeing it here. Next is about the medieval architecture and culture. You will be knowing about more about the culture of India and also what are the things they have used it. Next is early medieval period. Here also you will be knowing about the what is the things they have used it and what are the different things we will come to know about it. Next is about the early states and Indus Valley civilization, where we'll be knowing about the civilizations of the different people who have been the Indus. Next is about the conquerors from the different lands. So how the different people have come from different lands from northeastern side and northwestern side and how they have entered India and what are the parts they have conquered. Next is Jainism and Buddhism, where we will learn about the principles of Gautam Buddha and what they have practiced to the world and also to their followers. The next, the popular movements and social reforms. So many movements we have seen all over the world. So in this we'll be discussing regarding the certain movements which is associated with the Bolivia and what are the different struggles we have movements we have made it in India. Next, it's about the nationalism in various countries, how it inspired the nations to become an independent one. Next is the introduction and the sources of ancient Indian history, their culture, the way of the living, the things they have used it. Next, the World War One and Two. What is the Allied power? What is the Axis power? And what happened to the Germany and Russia? These things and how it got an end. And what about the Japan? What has happened? These things we'll be seeing it here. And the Vedic Empire. Next is new empires and kingdoms, where we'll be knowing the different empires, how they have conquered India, and what are the changes they have brought in India. The world history is the next one. We'll be seeing about the different chapters and also the different things in the world history regarding the different countries, how they have become the different nations. These things we'll be seeing it. The next is about the United Nations and International Agency, the last one. So this topic you must have learned in class 5. It has the different things like Security Council. These are all the things you will be learning under this one. Thank you, children. All the best for your NTSC examination.
Hello sir, I have a query. Can you please recommend few books for upcoming NTSC examination?
Yes, very good question. Actually, that way of asking question will be totally different. What you studied in your textbook, that is information. Okay, what you know, that is your knowledge. What you understand, what you analyze, what is your application part in your day-to-day life. The skill of using this concept. Okay, the imagination towards the concept what you learn. Something beyond that. Okay, so the type of question will be totally different what you have in your textbook. Okay, it is not like that your board exam question. So you should have some study materials. Okay, there are a lot of materials are available in the net. Okay, Macram Hill publications will be the things you have to study. Okay, first and standard first edition. And practice test papers are there that you have to practice actually. You can get from the internet also. There is national testing agencies there. So a lot of questions are available in the net. Google, you can browse and get that question you have to practice. Previous year question papers. And these type of books also you can use it. Aryanth also a very good books that also you can practice. Math and Stat is that. And Disha could have very nice books that also you can go through it, especially for Tamil Nadu and each and every state. Okay, they have special question papers. Okay, so you please go through all the other state question paper for stage 1. Okay, stage 1 state wise question paper, correct? So you please go through other state question papers, how they are asking the questions. Okay, and lot of things you can go through it. There are something I have given here that you can get it and prepare. Even the net with the free of cost you can download. There are so many websites are there that also you can go through it. Okay.
Hi everyone. It is a great pleasure to be in part of this inauguration function. I would like to clear my doubt here that how to get the results of NTSE exams.
Yes. So result, how to know the result? Okay, good. So result will be displayed in the website there. From the website, you can see your result and whether you qualified for stage 1 or eligible for stage 2. These things you can see the result in the net, and they will announce state wise. They will announce the result. The date of announce everything you can see in the website. Okay, they will announce. Still now the date not comments. Okay, they didn't announce the state for applying the exam. After you receive the when they apply the when to apply and when to get the admit card and when to write the exam, when the result will be displayed on the website. These are all because even for to know the result, you should use your roll number and date of birth. These are the 2 things they will ask in the net. So using that, you can download and see your result. Understand? What you download, you save it carefully for the future reference.
Hello sir. Sir, we heard that we are about to learn for an NTSE examination. We are eagerly waiting for this session. I have a doubt regarding the NTSE examination. What is the minimum qualifying marks? I'll be grateful if you answer for this, sir.
Oh, yes. What is a pass mark? So that is you have to score both MAT and SAT. Together, they will see whether it is 40% mark is there or not. Okay. If you score 40% mark for 200 mark, right? 100 for MAT, 100 for SAT. Not separate, together. Together, if you score 80 and above, you will be eligible to write stage 2 exam. So minimum pass mark is 40% together, paper 1 and paper 2, MAT and SAT together. Okay. And for the SC, ST, physically handicapped, they will be relaxed. Okay. 32% is enough for them to write your stage 2 exam. So if you are qualified in stage 1, you can write stage 2 exams. Understand, dear students?
Good afternoon, sir. We heard about NTSE examination, but we are new. We have a doubt about NTSE examination. We would like to know more about NTSE examination. I would like to ask you a question which arises in my mind. What are the NTSE scholarship? I would be grateful if you answer this, sir.
Yeah, what you are asking is correct. The scholarship, it is not one-time scholarship like other competitive exams and all. There will be Kishore Vigyan scholarship exam is there. The International Max Olympiad is there. So a lot of scholarship exams, honoring and all that. But here NTSE exams, it's not single-time scholarship. If you are qualified for stage 2, you will get 1,250 rupees per month for your whole +1 and +2. Understand? Clear about 15,000 +1 and +2 15,000. After that, when you go for degree, okay, undergraduate, so 3 years. Understand? So per month 2,000. That means 2 into 12, 24,000. First year, second year 24,000, third year 24,000. When you go for doctorate, PhD, so they will pay you the scholarship. Understand? So it is not one-time scholarship. It is a lengthy, long-time scholarship. It's a very great honor. So what they are expecting, one who selected in the stage 2, they will be asset and property of our nation. So they will take care of you. till to finish your doctorate, and you will be in a very great position. So scholarship not dealing with money, it's dealing with your position, your fame, correct? Do well.
Good afternoon, sir. I have a doubt regarding what documents must be submitted during NTSC registration. Can you please clarify my question?
Yeah, documents actually is nothing, sir. Your date of birth, educational certificate, okay, residential proof, income financial certificate, cash certificate, like that. These are the things you have when you apply for the NTSC registration information. Okay.
Hello sir, good afternoon. I have heard about NTSC exams through school and I had a doubt that how to prepare for the NTSC exams. It would be grateful if you clarify this doubt, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, how to prepare for that? So this is very interesting question. First, you have to thorough your 9th and 10th standard syllabus, okay? And CBSE syllabus, you have to go through it. First, you have to understand the concept, apply the concept in your day-to-day life. You have to analyze what they have given the information, and you should have some pre-ideas how to recall all these things, okay? Just a collection of all information may not give the efficiency to answering all the type of critical thinking, logical thinking questions, okay? So you have to deep into that and analyze and studies. Then only you can do. You go through the previous year question, how they are asking the question. Okay, if you go through that, you can get very good ideas, okay?
Hello sir, this is Niteshri over here. Actually, I have a doubt regarding NTSC exam, sir. Is that difficult to face, sir?
Yes. Difficult. No, it is not difficult. So anybody can write. So the difference between the bright and fool is nothing but bright can answer during the exam. Fools after the exam, let them tell, sir, this all, that's all. Just I forgot. In the exam, I couldn't remember. Like that, they tell. So that's a matter of few minutes gap between the bright and the fool. So you should be bright. You should have the idea how to answer fast. So difficulty will be there. Some questions, not all the questions. There will be easiest question and toughest question. So it will be moderate, but a very tough competition you have to face. See, in Tamil Nadu, how many students are going to write instant exam? Okay, it's near about 2 lakh students or 4 lakh students. So out of that, how many students going to apply for NTSC exam? Like the whole nation, out of 130 crores, okay, maybe 1 or 2 crores of people are studying 10th standard. They are going to apply for that inside the nation and abroad, those who are in the Board of National Education. So the question will be very tough, not tough. The competition will be tough, understand? So prepare well, all have equal opportunities. One who prepare well, one who recall the points, they can achieve. So question will be moderate.
Morning, sir. As we are new to this NTSC examination, we have many doubts about this examination. We want to know more information about this NTSC examination. So, a question has arisen in my mind. Is rechecking possible after NTSC results are declared?
Yeah, rechecking, retotaling, these are not possible, but they have very genuine paper correction. So OMR seat only are going to apply, so there will not be any problem with that. So you can see the result, what answer key after the exams. You can verify by yourself because you only write the exam. You know that how much mark you are going to score. So nothing to worry about re-evaluation, rechecking and all. That is not possible.
Good afternoon, sir. As we are new to the NTSC examinations, we have plenty of doubts about the NTSC examinations. So we want more information about the NTSC examinations. So my question is, what are the useful websites? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you are asking about a useful website. This is the official website, ncert.nic.in, National Talent Examination.php. So this is your official website. There you can see the all important dates. Okay. And some more other websites also that you can go through it. Okay. That and all somewhat useful only. When you go through it, you can get a lot of ideas. Okay.
Good afternoon, sir. As we are new to the NTSC examinations, so we have a doubt about these examinations. We want more information about these examinations. I want to clarify the doubt which arises in my mind. How can I prepare for NTSE? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, very, very great question, sir. How can I prepare for NTSE examination? First, you have to fix your mind. Okay, face the challenge. Take as a challenge and prove yourself that you are talented. Okay, actually, normal formulas and what you have in the textbook not enough. So you should have some extra preparation for your NTSE exams. First things, you should have a small note. There you can write all the important tips along. So the entire book you can't carry anywhere else, but the small booklet, a pocket diary, you can carry it anywhere else you can go. So there you can write all the important tips and tricks and strategy to recall everything. Okay, how much you have studied for the now you may be 14 to 15 years old, but in your lifespan you learned so many things. So recalling everything during these exam hours, 4 hours, okay, that is the challenge. So you have to make all the tips, keep on read through that. So it will help you to recall everything. Okay, first you have to understand how they are asking the questions. Okay, now you have to go with the stage-wise preparation. Okay, for chapter wise and subject wise. Okay, and stage-wise for math already have previous question paper. You go through it. Okay, so paper wise you have to prepare, stage wise you have to prepare. When you use any text what question papers, don't see the answers immediately. So test yourself, and after finishing test, you can verify the answers. So not your school studying method. So school studying method, you will know the answers, then we will study. Here, whenever you have some model test and all, if you practice the book, you have to write the test by yourself. After finishing the test, you can evaluate by yourself. What do you mean by what is correct answer, wrong answer, why you do mistake? Like that, you have to analyze. Okay, and you do like that, it will be. Very important thing is one who win. Who will win? Those who have the speed and accuracy. For that, you should have practice. How to get the speed, how to get the accuracy. For that, you have to keep on practice, write the exam again and again. Model exams, correction by yourself, and get some tips from your elders. So they will give you some expert may guide you properly. Okay, and you have to do some timetable because school they have syllabus, timetable, everything. For preparation of NTSE, there is no timetable for you. So you have to prepare your own timetable. How many chapters are there? What are the topics are there? How much you have finished? That you have to put tick mark. Okay, and you have to write the test by yourself. Which is area challenges you, so how to overcome the challenges. This and all you have to prepare the timetables, and every day you have to spend at least 15 to 20 minutes for NTSE preparation. So it is not only for NTSE. If you prepared well, this will be helpful for your all other competitive exams. After finishing your degree, even at a job, there will be some screening test. It will be more useful even that. So what you are preparing definitely going to be helpful for your throughout your life to get this success. Don't be stressed in your mind. Be relaxed. What you studied, share with your friends. Okay, when you share with your friends, when you discuss with your friends, definitely that will give you more benefit. Which recalling, okay, you can get more ideas when you share with your friends. Friends will share some more ideas. You can get more ideas. You will be brighter than what you are. Understand? So take previous year question paper. That will give you full ideas how to prepare, what to prepare, how to recall. Okay, I already said during the exam, the 2 + 2, 4 hours. If you recall the techniques, the tips, all these things, you can get success. After the exams, when you come out of the exam hall and discuss with your friends, oh, this is so easy. Just I forgot, I couldn't remember, means you can't get success. So during the exam, you have to recall. So all the best to your students, practice well, get the success, plan to win.